Why are owls the scariest predators of the night? Owls have exceptional hearing. They can literally hear your heartbeat from miles away. And their eyes, they're so big and round that they can see really well in the dark. Like, seriously, their eyes are adapted to see even the tiniest amount of light. And then there's their silent flight. Owls can fly completely silently. No flapping of wings. No hoot. They just glide through the air like it's nothing. This means they can sneak up on their prey without making a sound. Plus, their talons are sharp enough to pierce the toughest of hides, and their grip is strong enough to hold on to their prey while they reef. And let's not forget about their beaks. They're hooked like a sign, and they use them to tear apart their prey. So yeah, owls are basically the perfect predator. They can see you in the dark, hear you from miles away, and fly silently to catch you off guard. No wonder they're scared.